Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Samsung Smart TV not working with remote and how to fix the problem in minutes. Number 1. Check the remote's batteries. Remove the batteries from the remote. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 8 seconds to discharge residual power. Insert new batteries. Ensure they are correctly oriented. Use fresh high quality batteries to avoid power related issues. Number 2. Verify the infrared emitter functionality. Open the camera app on your smartphone. Point the remote IR transmitter at the camera lens. Press any button on the remote and observe the screen for a flashing light. If no flashing light is visible, the IR emitter may be faulty and the remote may need replacement. Number 3. Ensure clear line of sight. Remove any objects between the remote and the TV that could obstruct the IR signal. Ensure you are within 20 feet 6 meters of the TV when using the remote. Infrared signals require an unobstructed path to function properly. Number 4. Pair the remote with the TV. For smart remotes, press and hold the return and play or pause buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait for the pairing message to appear on the TV. For standard remotes, point the remote at the TV and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Refer to the user manual for model-specific pairing instructions. Number 5. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to reset the remote. Reinsert the batteries and attempt to use the remote again. Resetting can clear temporary glitches affecting the remote. Number 6. Power cycle the TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds before plugging it back in and then turn the TV on using the remote. This can resolve minor system errors affecting remote responsiveness. Number 7. Update the TV's firmware. Use the TV's physical buttons or a connected keyboard to navigate to Settings, Support, Software Update and then Update Now. Allow the TV to download and install any available updates. Firmware updates ensure compatibility with the remote and fix bugs. Number 8. Check for physical damage. Inspect the remote for signs of physical damage such as cracks or stuck buttons. Ensure all buttons can be pressed and released smoothly. If the remote is damaged, consider replacing it. Number 9. Use the Samsung Smart Things app. Download the Samsung Smart Things app on your smartphone. Connect your TV to the app by following the on-screen instructions. Use the app's remote control feature to operate the TV. This serves as a temporary alternative while troubleshooting the physical remote. Number 10. Contact Samsung Support. If none of the steps resolve the issue, reach out to Samsung Support. Provide your TV's model number and a detailed description of the problem for faster assistance. Samsung Support can guide further or suggest remote replacement options. Thanks for watching.